In this video, we are going to learn about studios. So firstly, go to the My Staff page and click on New Studio. Assume that you have already done it. You can click on this Allow anyone to add projects. Or you can change the thumbnail of this studio. You can also comment, add curators, see the activity, or follow the studio. To add a project, simply choose one of your projects and add it. And you can also delete a project. You can enter the link of the project to add the project. You can also title the studio. And put some descriptions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.